Hello, hello, angels. Lizzie and Sam here, doing a little voiceover for you.
How are
That's
our
my radio
angels?
voice.
Yeah, how are our angels doing?
Yes, we miss you guys. Sorry it's been so long. But we are bringing you a Hydrafacial today. So right now Sam is actually cleansing that skin. And this is the part that everybody just swoons over, which is the hot towel. Who doesn't love a hot towel?
Everyone should. Everyone should have one.
Yeah. This is Sam getting ready to start the treatment. The first stage of the Hydrafacial is some lactic acid. It's just going to help break up some of that dead skin, oils, old makeup, whatever you got kind of on the skin. It's just kind of pre-cleansing that skin for the treatment.
We're prepping. We're prepping.
We're prepping. We're getting ready, getting that skin just nice and hydrated.
So this is one of Lizzie's patients. She's got pretty acne-prone, oily skin. So she does really well with something like this because of all the acids that are in this. But the extractions alone for anybody that's acne-prone or has congested skin is really, really good. I think this is one of my favorite things to do for people that need that type of extractions. Actually did one today that I got a little geeked out over. That waste jar looked fantastic. We got so much out of the skin. So it was very satisfying.
And at the end of her treatment, you'll actually see her waste jar. Also, Sam's going to do a couple extractions on her. So you'll get to see that at the end as well.
Yeah, anything that the Hydrafacial doesn't get out, it really does prep really well as far as for extractions. So it just makes extractions a little bit easier in some areas. So that's nice too.
So again, this is just taking off that dead skin, kind of getting ready for our next stage, which is going to be her peel. Peel time.
It's time.
Here it is. So this patient, Sam, did a 15%, I believe, Glysal Peel.
Woohoo!
She's already had a Hydrafacial before, so we were comfortable with upping her her peel. It goes up to a 30 in our clinic, so with her, she was good with a 15. So you'll see that her skin will turn a little bit more pink as the peel goes on. And this sort of just feels a little bit tingly. You'll know it's there.
Definitely. A little spicy.
A little spicy. It's also extracting at the same time.
I'm always trying not to stay in your way whenever you're filming, but I think it's... I have a knack for getting in the way.
It's alright. So much fun to watch.
It really is. You just get lost in it.
See how her skin is getting a little bit more red? It's like, oh, hello. This is what we're doing. Okay.
A little spice. And here we go.
Here's everyone's favorite part, typically. It's the extractions. Got some up close and personal video of it. So it's gliding across the skin. It's actually extracting all those pores. And with oily girls, guys, this is fantastic. Look at it go.
Get it all out.
Yes. I think the nose is probably the most satisfying for patients. They can really feel it. And also at this part I have to mention, this is where it will get really a little bit more spicy because we're also adding another acid on top of your peel. So this part will feel a little bit more like, oh, hello, you know, there everything is. But then it will start to kind of come down in a couple minutes. But most patients say it's very enjoyable and they know it's working.
Yeah,
so.
It's not uncomfortable.
No.
But they can feel a little bit of spice, but, you know, it's still
tolerable.
Very tolerable.
And for her case, this patient's case, she went a little bit more all over the face, whereas, you know, if somebody was more dry, we probably would just stick with like their T-zone. But this patient in particular had a lot of congestion all over. So she really needed that extra exfoliation. Clean out those pores.
Sometimes too, in the tip of the Hydrafacial, you can actually see where, you know, whatever you're taking out is kind of building up in the tip of the piece. So it's really nice. It's fun to see. Patients usually will ask me, "Let me see it. Let me see it." And their waste jars. You guys know we like to show off those waste jars.
I know it. Yes.
Look at that. You can kind of see the tip of it there too, where it's kind of got that white buildup. That's just all the stuff that's coming out of the pores. All the oil,
Oof,
dead
girl.
skin cells, all that buildup.
If you want to see estheticians geek out, just give them a good extraction video.
Yeah, you should see our faces right now.
So nice. So here's some extractions that Sam did. Kind of sped it up a little bit just so I didn't make anybody, you know. But we'll start adding more if you guys really like it. Let us know.
Oh, the extractions.
She had a lot. She had a lot going on. She had a lot of stress in her life, changes in diet. So that'll change the skin. Here's the GUNKIE jar.
Woohoo.
That's where you get to see all the stuff that comes out of your skin, out of your pores.
All the progress we're making.
Yeah.
Skin changing treatments.
And then with the Signature Facial, you don't typically get blue or red light, but this patient really needed it, so we added it on. But I hope you enjoyed that, Be the Angels. We will see you next week with a new video.
See you soon.
We're back in full swing. Love you guys. Thanks for joining, Angels. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and hit that little bell so you know when our next video is live.